Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 16. You should indeed, without reserve, tell me your divine glories by which you exist, pervading all these worlds.
Chapter 10, Shloka 16. Vaktum arhasya sheshena divya hyatma vibhutayah yabir vibhutibir lokan imam sattvam vyapyatishtasi.
Chapter 10, Shloka 16. After expressing the wonder, reverence and devotion, Arjuna is now expressing directly his intellectual demand to the Lord. Arjuna is convinced that in the world in which he is transacting, Lord is the essence divine without which no experience is possible physically of the objects, mentally of the feelings, and intellectually of the ideas. He wants to know the divine manifestations in the multiple world of plurality because what he sees around, he recognizes nothing divine. A villager who doesn't know electricity, when he sees a building lighted by several bulbs in the city, wants to know how the electricity illumines each of the bulbs. Similarly, Arjuna wants to know how the cosmic man, Ishvara, Lord, is present in the macrocosm constituting all individuals and microcosm in each individual as transcendental and immanent. This can be felt by a heart with faith but cannot be understood by an ill-informed intellect, though subtle. Hence Arjuna asks Krishna to point out his cosmic glory, Vibhuti, by which filling these worlds he exists. Arjuna wants to collect as much information and data so that his intellect can ponder over, classify and understand it. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.